This is the Hawaiian Disney Resort Aulani on Oahu. And this is a video of the Aulani Ocean View room with a queen bed and a queen-size sleeper bed. This room sleeps 4 comfortably. Our kids are getting a little bit bigger, and we thought the room actually could have been a little bit larger. With that said, it does have all the amenities that are customary for a room like this, which include a kitchenette. It has a small table with a Mickey-themed light. Shower tub with a drying line. This also has a balcony from which you can take in views of the Pacific Ocean, and you're overlooking the water park. We didn't spend a whole lot of time in our room because there is a lot to do, not only within the resort, but there on the island of Oahu. However, on site there are some amenities that people will like to use, especially if you're staying here at Aulani, which include the beach and the beach rentals. There is a small snack bar at the beach. There are multiple pools with a lazy river and some water slides. There is the Rainbow Reef. The resort is really cool and everything is done really well up to the Disney standard. Also on site, there are a couple stores, one for fine gifts and apparel, and the other is more of a general store which has, virtually anything you might need or you forgot at home. I have only begun to scratch the surface of what this resort has to offer, so go ahead and check out their website, or watch another creator's video who does a full tour of the resort. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.